How to change payment account on Google Play Store. For an example, in this game, if I want to purchase something and if I tap on it, it will show my email address right here. But what if I want to change it? So the process is very simple. All you have to do is go to your settings here and tap on your account or account and sync or Google account. It differs according to your mobile. For me, it's accounts, so I'll just go ahead and tap on it. Now I will tap on the email address that I want to remove as my payment account, and once I've done that, I will go to my Play Store right here, and since I have logged out of my Gmail, I have to put in a new account and make sure to choose the one that you want as your payment account as well. Now once I have choose it and tap on OK, it will log me in as that particular account. Now for your gaming section and your payment section as well, this account will be your main account. So wasn't it simple? Hopefully you will give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.